do want to thank you guys so very much for all your kind words lately and all of your support. And I usually tell you guys at the end of the video, but I also want to tell you in the beginning how much you guys mean to me. So thank you again for all of your support. Hi lovely people, how are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing pretty good. You read from the title, we are going to be doing a handbag unboxing. We are going to do the BOLZANO subscription and the IVORY CLASP subscription. So we're going to do like battle of the boxes. So if you want to know what is in the September IVORY CLASP versus the BOLZANO and see who wins, then just keep watching. Alright, so I think I'm going to do the IVORY CLASP first. So this is a $49.99 a month subscription, but if you get it for 3 or 6 or 12 months, I believe you can get it for, it's like $44.99. One thing I do like about this subscription is you don't have to get it monthly. You can choose to get it bi-monthly or every quarter, which I like. So I signed up for 3 months and I forgot to cancel it. And so I have another 3 months and I think next month is the last one. I did cancel this subscription, but another thing I like about this too is, well, both of these you fill out a profile, and with this subscription, sometimes you have every month you have the choice where you can pick out which one you want, or you can hit surprise me. Most of the time I say surprise me, so let's see what we got for this month. I have to say though, I have been last month, like I loved the subscription. I mean the pocketbook, I thought it was gorgeous. I'll leave it down below if you want to check it out. All right, so when you open it, this is exactly how it comes. The only thing I don't like about this is it doesn't come with a duster bag. Oh, look, I'm shaking the table because this box is so big. And I wish for the price that you do get a duster bag. And it's not wrapped in plastic or anything, which, you know, for like I said, you're paying $50 a month, and it's just wrapped like this. But this is really pretty. Wow. So this is like a lavender color. It's like a pinkish lavender. I'm not sure what color you would say. And with this, you just get the handbag, where in the BOLZANO there are different options you can get. So yeah, that is really pretty. You see here, I wish it had like the little things here where you can sit it down, but I like it. I mean, this is really pretty. So let's take that off. So that's what it looks like. Oh, look at the print inside, the detail work. That's really pretty. Let's see what the inside looks like. This is gorgeous. Oh my Lord. Okay, so I wonder if this is a duster bag. Let's see what that is. Usually it doesn't come with it. You do always get a belt too, so you have the option, this you could just break off. You have the option to either, you know, carry it like this or like this, or you can put the strap on. But this is gorgeous. Look at that. So you have the little pocket in here, right there, where you can stick your keys, your phone, anything. And then right here you have these 2 little things right here you can put in. But it's really spacious. I do want to say with this IVORY CLASP, it is very well made. Everyone I've never had a problem with. It is very tough, so I like that. You don't get any information like how much this pocketbook is retail for. I'm sure you could probably look online. Does it say like, doesn't say like who it's by or anything. All right, so let's see what this says. I've never had anything that came in here before, so I hope it, oh, so you do get a duster bag. Or, I don't know if it's like yeah, you do. Maybe they started listening. So, I give it a few points for that. This says David Jones, so it must be a David Jones pocketbook. And then here. Unless it's just like a tote, you know, but I don't see why they would just give you that. I'm sure you can. Let's see if it fits. Put it in there. This is the first time I got a duster bag, and I would really like this a little bit more. Yep, so it fits. So that's exactly what it must be. I mean, if they keep setting, like next month, if I get another pocketbook that I really like, I might keep that subscription because this is really nice. All right, so that's that. So for that price, you only get just the pocketbook or purse, handbag, however you want to say it, but they are very well made. Now let's talk about the BOLZANO. Alright, so this I do get for review every month, and there are different options that you can get with the BOLZANO. This is the Luxe. I think it's the Luxe. I haven't looked inside, but they usually send me the Luxe. Well, you can get just the handbag itself, or I believe it's about $28. You can get the handbag and accessories, which is a little bit more, or you can get the Luxe, which is $43, where you get the handbag, you get the accessories, and then companions, where you get some like little makeup and different things in there. You can get the whole package. Now with this, I don't think you can get the option to choose how long you can get it. I think it's just like every month. I'm not sure if you can pick bi-monthly or not. I will leave it right here if I am wrong. But again, with this, you do a profile, and they ask a lot of questions. You don't get to pick which one you want. They do just send it to you. So, you know, with the IVORY CLASP, it's a little nice if you want to pick out the one that you want. All right. Also, if you get this subscription and you go into the search bar and you put, I believe it's ANNEGIFT, but I'll leave it right here, you get a free item. So that's good as well. I think last month it was like a free watch. And I think the value is like a $45 value. All right, okay, so this is nice. The color is really pretty. Let me show you here. You always get something right here that's like with the B that says BOLZANO, and it always is branded. If you can see right there, it says BOLZANO. So this is kind of like last month, but I got like a powdered blue. This is just a little bit smaller, but I believe it's almost like the same style. But I do like it, so that's good. This is what I wish the IVORY CLASP had, these little things right here. So when you put it down, you know, it doesn't get dirty. All right, so just like the other pocketbook, you have a pocket right there, and the detail right in here is black. The only thing, this definitely, the color is fall, but for me, when it gets colder, I like darker colors for me. Just my preference. All right, so let's open it up. You usually get a belt with this too, or a shoulder strap. Yeah, it is right here. So again, you have the option, and then you would put it right here. So you have the option to just, you know, which I like this, or you can have a longer strap. All right, so let's see what is in here. Let me take everything out. All right, so you do have, I think I just unzippered it. You do have a little pocket right in there. And then just like the other one, you have these things where you can put stuff in there. And this is pretty spacious too. As you can see, the other one is a little bit made better, if you can see, but this is still pretty nice, especially when you fill it up. But the good thing about this too is for the same price, the Luxe is $43, that is $49.99 unless you get a 3 or 6 or 12 month. Then I believe it's like $44.99. So for $1 difference, you get so much more. That's why I tend to like the BOLZANO better. All right, so this is the handbag that I got this month. And when you do fill out a profile, so you may not get this specific one. It's whatever your profile is. All right, so let's see. Oh, wait a minute. Here's the paper. I forgot. They just started doing this like a few months ago. So this says, congratulations. It says, this month we've chosen the Gabriella bag especially for you. It's constructed with PETA certified vegan leather. So that just means it's not real leather. It's, you know, fake leather. And has a retail value of $198. So guys, you're only paying $43 for all this stuff. The pocketbook alone is $198. Wow. Gabriella is part of our new fall collection. Comes in plum, terracotta, butternut, and black. So that must be the butternut color. And it just says sturdy handles, convenient long strap. You know, right here it just says a few things what it has. So that's good. Then it says, meet this month's bag, curated especially for you. And then it just has like, you know, some FAQs and stuff. All right, so moving on. So this must be the companions in here. I always get excited for this subscription because you never know what you're gonna get. And I love handbags. Let me cut this open. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is, okay, so this right here would be for your lashes, to help you put lashes on. I don't wear lashes, but my daughter does, so she will definitely love this. And then you have some scissors here where you can cut lashes, but I use these scissors here for my eyebrows. I just take a spoolie and kind of like put them down and then cut them and then push them up and then cut them, you know. So I'll definitely use that. What else do we have? So then we have, oh my God, noisy this month, isn't it? So then we have right here, it's an eyelash curler. And then this right here, I guess this is what you put everything in. So that's pretty good. It'd be nice if they put in lashes too, right? All right, so then after everything, it's like sticky. You know, you would just put everything in there. So I think that is really, really nice. And then you have this. This must be a lip liner. Let's see. It says True Red right there. Let's see if I can open it up. I've been really loving like the red colors. Last year I would always say I'm not wearing red lipstick, but I've really been getting into red lipstick lately. So that's what it looks like. Let's do a little swatch. That's gorgeous. I wear lip liner every time I put lipstick on, so I'm definitely excited to get that. And these are the accessories. So let's see. Oh my God, that looks beautiful, that little scarf thingy. I mean, guys, I really love this subscription. I really, really do. All right, so look at that. That is the scarf. Now, this goes perfectly with this. Now you can, what sometimes I do is, you know, I do a nicer job, but you know, you can go like that. Some people actually like take this right here and they wrap it around here to make it look nice. You can put this in your hair so it can match. Of course, a scarf, you know. You do so many different things with this, but I love that it always matches your pocketbook. And then it looks like you have some jewelry, and good, it's in silver. So you have these right here. I'm not going to take these out because in case you don't know, you notice I always wear like the big earrings. I have really been into the 90s era again. These are the bamboo earrings. You guys remember back in the 90s when the bamboo earrings were in style? Love them. I ordered a whole bunch from Amazon. And they're so light. They look heavy, but they're very, very light. So the reason why is because when I was 6 months old, I had 2 people at the same time pierce my ears. And so they didn't pierce them evenly. I keep saying I need to go back and get them pierced evenly. So that's why I never wear studs, because then you can really tell the unevenness. And also, like, if something like just hangs short, one will be longer than the other. So I wish this was like hoops or something like that. But you know, if you have your ears double pierced, you can also put it in there, but I'll give it to my daughter. And then you have the matching necklace, so they match. So I don't know how much you can see with the light, so I'll give these to her. Yeah, so that's everything that we got. So let's recap what you get in the BOLZANO. So of course you get the purse, you get the scarf, you got earrings and a necklace, you get the lip liner, of course you get the belts, and then you get this little kit here, which you have your eyelash curlers, you have, it has like tape where it was stuck together, you have the scissors here where you would use to cut the lashes, but I use these for eyebrows, so I'll keep these and then I'll give this to my daughter. And then there you have to help put your lashes on. So that's everything, guys. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you like better? Would you rather pay a little bit more money to have a better made pocketbook, but then that's all you get? Or there's almost the same price where you get the BOLZANO, which is a gorgeous pocketbook. Every month you get a really nice pocketbook. But, you know, may not be as well made, but then you get all this other stuff. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Another thing about BOLZANO too, if you fill out your profile and it's something that you just don't care for, you pay for the shipping to get shipped back, and then they will mail you out another pocketbook. Now, if you fill out a profile and it is, you get something that's completely not within your profile, then they will on them ship you out, and you know, they'll email you a shipping thing, you mail that pocketbook back, and then they will mail you a new one on them. So that's good too. You're not stuck with something that you don't like. Alright guys, that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below all of your thoughts, because I am nosy, so let me know all the tea. Make sure you rate this video because it really does help me out. So either thumbs it up or thumbs it down. Prefer that you thumbs it up, but whatever you want to do, it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and also turn that post notification bell on so you can be notified for all of my future videos, giveaways. You guys know I'm always giving back to you guys. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I appreciate you so much. And that's everything, guys. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.